Three, two, one.
Well, I'm Dylan. This is Cameron. A children human rights defender is a child who sticks up for not only their own rights, but other children's as well. So the right is, children have the right to protection from discrimination.
Then we say the right that is on your parchment paper, which is all people should be treated with respect.
Tell me, what is your right?
Children have the right to be with adults who do what's best for them.
We try and make the workshops very hand-on for the children, because there's nothing worse than being talked about children's rights.
Children have the right to live safely with their parents.
Children have the right to education. We learn lots of different subjects.
My favourite right is that I've got a lovely home and lovely parents that look after me, and I'm allowed to speak. I've got a right to speak.
Children have the right to live healthy and that with their parents.
The most important right for me is to live safely with your parents.
I want to show care, and I want to spread the influence of rights around the world. And a safe environment. So maybe can anyone have any ideas with that?
I think what we've learned from the workshops is that if we keep it fun and we keep it simple, the children will remember the experiences.
Please help me, God. I feel so alone. I need an adult to help me out. I need some help to get this right, or else I might not sleep at night.
The reason we're doing shields is due to every human rights defender needing a shield.
It's about a girl whose mum is sick, and she's that sick that she can't go to the doctors to get any medicine or anything, and that was just a rough copy, but now we've got to do it on a shield, and I'm doing it as a newspaper article thing, and my title is Girl Misses School because Mum is sick.
A little girl is being bullied at school and she's not telling anyone, and the more her parents ask, she's getting angry and upset with them.
My story is about a boy who have different skin color, and he is in a window and he see people who playing, and these people are racist and they don't want to play with him.
We're going to present the ideas from the workshops to the UN in Geneva in September.
Children deserve to have a safe playground and community. Children deserve to grow up in a clean home.
I think that if we were to have more children defending their own rights, like the adults would look at that and think, wow, he's only 11 years old, for example, and he's doing much more than I could to defend his rights.